Transportation in Animals and Plants Part 3. Hello friends, it is such a problem. If we drink water, there is a problem. If we do not, there is still a problem. You must be thinking, what problem? The same old going to the bathroom, looking for a bathroom. So many times there is no bathroom at some places. Children, elderly all face this problem. How is urine made? Which part of our body makes it? I have heard that not urinating frequently leads to a lot of diseases. Let us look for the answer to these questions through this video. The objective of this video are 1. To understand excretion in animals. 2. To understand the human excretion system. Today, Meenu and Shyam are going to the town with their father. There is an exhibition in the town on mobile toilets. Shyam and Meenu's father has to gather information about them. With the help of mobile toilets, the farmers will be able to use the bathrooms and not defecate in the open. It will also prove to be hygienic. Come, let us also visit the town with them.
Didi, can you please pass me the water bottle? I'm very thirsty.
Here, take this. But remember, if you keep drinking water, you will have to go to the bathroom.
Children, the bus will stop here for some time. Let us all rest for some time. Why don't all of us use the bathroom?
Look, Didi, that child urinated in the bus itself. Isn't it dirty?
He's a little child. He would not have been able to control his urine. But do you remember, Shyam? Last year when we had gone to watch that film, you were drinking a lot of cola. You had to go to urinate urgently.
Oh, Didi, don't make me remember that. I feel very embarrassed.
I remember. The film was getting very interesting and you had to go urgently to the bathroom. But you wanted to watch the movie and then I hope you remember what happened.
Yes, I remember.
So the same incident should not be repeated. So go and use the bathroom.
Oh, there is such a long queue. I always control my urine, and the same thing happens with me. Ramu, can I go to the bathroom before you? I really need to go urgently.
I need to go urgently too.
Please let me go. I will give some chocolates when we go back to the bus.
Okay, go.
Thank you. You saved me today.
Did you drink a lot of water?
Actually, I always postpone going to the bathroom. But it is astonishing that we will have to go again in some time. We drink water, then go to the bathroom. But how is urine made? Do you have any idea?
Do you remember the shape of the rajma beans?
Yes?
Mother had said that there are 2 kidneys in our body which look like rajma beans. They purify the blood.
Okay, so there is a strainer in our kidneys.
Yes, our kidneys work like strainers. Look like the tea vendor straining tea over there. Urine is just water. What is in it that we have to take it out of our body? It would be interesting to know all this.
Why don't we ask Father?
Yes, let us go.
Father, Didi was telling us that urine is made and filtered in our kidneys.
How come this conversation on urine today?
Uncle, Shyam had controlled urine for a long time. There was a long queue outside the bathroom. He requested me to let him go first and that he would give me a chocolate if I let him go. So he started talking about urine and kidneys.
Sham, you usually control your urine. You should know that there are harmful components in the urine.
Harmful components? How, Father?
Children, when our cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. These are toxic and need to be removed from the body like urea, ammonia, and uric acid.
Father, I had read that the waste products in our blood are removed with the help of kidneys.
Yes, Meenu. The process of removal of wastes produced by the cells is known as excretion, and the parts involved in it form the excretory system.
What are the parts in the excretory system?
Kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra.
When the blood is filtered in the kidneys, then what do the other parts do?
As the name suggests, the ureter would be taking the urine somewhere ahead.
Yes, you are right. When I visit the hospital with my granddad, at times I observed a chart of the urinary system there. What have you observed in it? There are two kidneys on each side. There are two tube-like structures which come out of each kidney and move ahead to connect to a bag-like structure. There is another tube-like structure which has a hole.
Can you try to make a drawing of the same?
I can try.
Our excretory system is almost like this. The kidneys purify the deoxygenated blood and make the urine.
Urine is mostly made up of water, isn't it, Father?
Yes, children. Urine is composed of 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste products.
I used to think that urine is made up of dirty yellow water.
Ew, Ramu!
Can you tell us something about the other parts of the excretory system, Father?
These are ureters. The urine flows through them in the urinary bladder. It is collected in the bladder. It is stored in the uretary bladder and is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of a muscular tube called urethra.
Wow! Our urinary system is no less than a factory.
That is why it is important to urinate at frequent intervals and at the correct places like a bathroom.
I had read in the newspaper that the Prime Minister of our country started the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We should also extend our helping hand towards it.
Yes, that is why father is going to the exhibition to find out about the mobile toilets, because of which our village will become cleaner.
It is also important to drink adequate water. My teacher has said that we should drink at least 8 glasses of water in a day.
Then I will keep sitting in the bathroom.
I'm feeling very thirsty.
Yes, you're sweating a lot too.
Isn't sweating also a part of excretion?
Crying also is a way of water secretion from the body.
Yes, and the tears are so salty.
Did you drink tears?
Oh, isn't it that sometimes when we cry, the tears get inside our mouth? The sweat is also salty.
That means that tears and sweat are both made up of salt and water.
Very good, children. Sweat is made of salt and water and helps to keep our body cool.
That means that I am cool now. Where are you going, Shyam?
I need to use the bathroom again. I do not want to delay this time.
So, friends, I hope you learned that our excretory system functions efficiently. Kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra together form the excretory system. It is important to urinate at frequent intervals. We should also extend our help in the Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat mission. Now we shall meet in our next video, friends.